Hey guys, as you know that sun provide us light, heat and energy that is very essential to live and exist on earth. This means that only because of sun life exists on earth. Our sun that is located in our galaxy is among more than 200 billion stars in our galaxy. And many times you may have wondered that how big is the sun and how much it is larger than earth. So in this video, we are going to understand how much the sun is larger than earth and many other interesting facts about the sun. Hello and welcome to all you friends to this YouTube channel. I am Sunil. Before proceeding forward, I will like to request you to press the like button and subscribe this channel. So let us begin this video. The sun, which is situated centrally in our solar system, that is about 151 million kilometers away from Earth. This is much distance that even the light takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to travel from Sun to Earth. If we calculate this distance in kilometers, it is about 14 crore 96 lakh kilometers away from Earth. With the velocity of traveling of light, that is about 3 lakh kilometers per second. We know that fastest animal on earth is cheetah, which has the running speed of about 110 km per hour. If someone is willing to travel with this speed to cover the distance to sun, then he will require 150 years to complete this distance. Then after that we will learn about structure of sun. The external structure like atmosphere of earth, the atmosphere of sun is chromosphere. The surface of the sun is called as photosphere. From this region photosphere, continuous radiation escapes in space. Photosphere is visible surface of sun. Below the photosphere, the region is convection zone, and the region below that is radiation zone. And below that structure, the white color region is shown is called as core. The core extends from center of sun to about 25% of sun's radius. The core of the sun is the hottest region inside the sun. More than 95% people among you thinks that sun is resting at one place, but that is totally wrong. The sun revolves around the galactic core with the speed of 220 km per second. The next point is about location of sun in Milky Way galaxy. It is located about 28,000 light years from center of Milky Way galaxy. We all know that Earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution around the sun, but the sun takes about 230 million years to complete one revolution around the galactic core. Very few people among you know that sun creates its energy with the help of nuclear fission process. This huge amount of energy is obtained when 4 hydrogen nucleus are combined to get one helium nuclei. You will be surprised if I tell you that the total amount of energy released by sun in 1 minute is enough to power one small size city of population about 1 lakh for about 5 trillion years. The next fact is about temperature of sun, its surface temperature and its core temperature. The average room temperature on earth is taken as 25 degrees Celsius. The temperature required to melt the metal, for example cast iron metal, is about 1538 degrees Celsius. And the temperature required to melt the diamond is about 4027 degrees Celsius. But what about the temperature on sun? The average temperature on the surface of the sun is 5500 degrees Celsius. And the average temperature of sun's core is very high, that is very huge. That is about 15 million degrees Celsius. That is about 1.5 crore degrees Celsius. That much high is inner core temperature of sun. The next fact is about mass of sun. The sun occupies about 99.8% of total mass of our solar system. We know that mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram. The mass of Sun is 3,30,000 times that of mass of Earth. The next and final fact is about volume of the Sun and the Earth. How many Earths can fit inside the Sun, or how many times it is larger than Earth? Then, by considering the volume of Sun and the volume of Earth, it is often that Sun is 13 lakh times larger than the volume of Earth. It means that 1.3 million Earths can fit inside the volume of the Sun. So that is the answer of our one of important question. That's all in this video, friends. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, then do not forget to press the like button and subscribe this YouTube channel.